Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key permissions so the system will respond. Open Settings, make sure Siri is enabled and Waze has location and background access. This lets voice routing work reliably. Once done, connect to CarPlay or enable Waze in CarPlay settings. Make sure Waze is allowed to show on lock screen while driving. Now invoke Siri with Hey Siri or the side button. You're ready to hand off navigation to Waze the moment you speak a route or destination. You trigger Siri and speak the destination using the phrasing that routes to Waze. For example, say, Hey Siri, get directions in Waze to 123 Main Street. Once Siri recognizes the request, she asks to confirm, answer clearly so Waze opens with the chosen route. If you're in CarPlay, you can use shorter commands like drive to work in Waze. Make sure microphone and audio permissions are active so you hear turn-by-turn prompts and can respond hands-free. You complete navigation by following Waze instructions and using Siri for quick changes. Ask to avoid tolls, add stops, or find gas. If Waze fails to open after your command, first check app permissions and CarPlay settings, then restart your iPhone and relaunch Waze. Make sure both apps are updated. As a final tip, if CarPlay won't connect, unplug and reconnect the cable or Bluetooth and reboot the car's infotainment system. That usually clears the handshake problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.